Namaskar, myself Rajesh Sisodya, and now you are watching RJ Bharat News 7. As today we are in Dahod Smart City, and here some of things has been raised against Congress Party, as the ruling party BJP has their leaders, some of leaders has spoken some of verbal words against Mr. Rahul Gandhi. All the leaders of Congress party, they have come at a decision, and they have given FIR to PI, and let's know what's happening and what is going to happen. Now we have one advocate, we will ask to him what's going to happen in future and why these people are speaking like these words. Sir, namaskar.
जी नमस्कार.
May I know your good name, sir?
Vraj Shah, advocate.
Sir, so what's happening and what was the matter?
So today we all are come to here and gather with our legal team, our legal colleague Ms. Rahima B. Ansari. So what happened? Nowadays, ruling party of our nation is really feels like that they are in a threatened zone. Why? Because they want to create autocracy. Our nation, we feel that it's a democratic country, but ruling party and such a kind of leaders of ruling party trying to destroy democracy of our nation, and they want to create autocracy in our nation. Why? Today what happened? From last 1 week, such kind of political leaders and ministers of the ruling party trying to spread violence in our nation by their hatred speech. How? Such kind of leaders of opposition party made such kind of controversial statements, provocative statements, such a kind of vexatious statement with malefied intention against of our leader of opposition, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji.
So what do you think as they have made these statements against Mr. Rahul Gandhi?
They have made a statement like we may do what such a kind of condition is like in हिंदी. अगर राहुल गांधी जी बाज नहीं आए तो उनकी हालत उनकी दादी की तरह करेंगे. राहुल गांधी जी की जो जबान काट कर लाएगा, जो उनकी जबान जला देगा, उसे 11 लाख रुपए का इनाम देंगे.
So, advocate sir, is it appropriate words? Of course. Can they use ruling party in this way, because Rahul Gandhi is opposition leader?
Yes, of course. That's my point. It's not tolerable and it's not an appropriate words, because Rahul Gandhi ji is not a political leader of Congress party. Now today he is our leader of opposition. So such kind of decorum and status of leader of opposition should be maintained in our nation. So we all are here to give a complaint, and our complainant is Shri Harshad Bhai Ninama, who is the president of Dahod Jilla Congress Committee. What is going now today? Leader of opposition is a prestigious post. Rahul Gandhi ji holds a prestigious post. From last year or last 2 or 3 years, we all have seen in social media, in television, that how ruling party trying to destroy his image in the mind of people of our nation. But this was not happen. Why? Because Rahul Gandhi ji has made Bharat Jodo Yatra and Bharat Nyay Yatra. That kind of things really made such a kind of prestige in his own image. So today, leader of ruling party, they are not trying to handle such a kind of situation in our nation, like one kind of inflation, one kind of corruption, poverty. They cannot handle this kind of things. That's why they are trying.
They are making such statements against the party.
Yes, but it's not tolerable. Rahul Gandhi ji, what they did in past, Rahul Gandhi ji just spoke a surname of one political leader.
But I don't want to speak any kind of surname. But
No, you can say, no problem.
yes. But what happened? Strategy of ruling party. We all have seen police department, investigation department, even our central police reserve force, every kind of investigation agency has trying to capture of Rahul Gandhi. Why? Because he is a leader of people. but he has just used a statement with the name of surname. But today, we all have seen that Honorable Supreme Court, they have a clean sheet. And of course, the Honorable Supreme Court has stated that it's a one kind of misuse of investigation agency and police force. And of course, Honorable Supreme Court criticized a verdict of Honorable Gujarat High Court.
In what do you want today? As you all people have come here and you have given against the person who has spoken this words against Rahul Gandhi. What do you say? What do you want?
Not I myself, but
What your party wants?
not even my party. What nation wants? Because Rahul Gandhi ji is not a leader of one party. He is a leader of opposition. What nation wants? We all are here to give a complaint before respected police inspector sir at A Division Police Station Dabhol under section 352, 353, 354 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 and including section 61 because it's a one kind of criminal conspiracy. So what we want and our nation want, the whole nation want to file an FIR against this kind of hatred speaker who really trying to spread such a kind of violation in our nation.
As they have said and as we have spoken with Advocate Mr. Saha, he told many things, how people are down in Rahul Gandhi's image and how they are doing, speaking of these things. What's your opinion? You can give your opinion in our comment box. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our channel.